Hello everyone. With AI systems that need a high system requirement but your local engine cannot support, ANS Center provides you with our ANSCloud hosting solution. And you can use our cloud resource to deploy your AI model by using RESTful API with ease. I will demonstrate this solution to you by using our already trained iris flower classification model. After exporting the trained model from ANNHUB, you will send this model to ANS Center and request cloud hosting. We will send back a RESTful API address like this to you. With this address, you can test the RESTful API before final deployment by using Postman application. This application can be downloaded on the supplier website. After installing the app, open it and create a request. Choose Post Type and paste your API address. In the body section, choose JSON data type. And enter the following code with the 4 values as the length and width of a random iris's sepal and petal. Then click Send button to get the output response in JSON format. These outputs are equivalent to 3 values of the corresponding iris type that we have prepared in the training dataset, which are iris setosa, iris versicolor and iris virginica. The first value is closest to 1, so that means the correct output is iris setosa. Status 200 OK stands for a successful request. ANS RESTful API can be consumed in any programming language. To learn how to use it, click on Code and generate code snippets to any preferred programming language such as C#, PHP. In this example, we use C# to demonstrate how simple it is to use ANS RESTful API. Then we need to use Visual Studio to create C# application. In Visual Studio, we select the C# console app. You can choose between Framework or Core. And click Create. After the project is generated, copy the snippet into the main function. We can see the project has some errors due to some packages, libraries missing. This project uses REST Sharp client library for HTTP RESTful requests, so we need to install the missing package. We can install the missing packages by using NuGet Package Manager. Right-click on the project and select Manage NuGet Packages. In the browser, search for REST Sharp to find the package and install the latest stable version. After installation, go back to the main function and hover the mouse to the error to show the menu options. Select using REST Sharp. This will add the reference to the project and solve all missing package errors. Run the application to display the corresponding outputs, as we have seen in Postman client app. You can test with other input values to validate your model. Or you can make some adjustments to make sense of the output, such as displaying the name of the iris flower instead of numbers. Thank you for watching.